So you're an artist? Yeah. Are you good at it?
Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing 40-inch locks on myself. These locks are very much giving island vibes. So it's time to take these braids down, but I figure why not use the same parts for my locks to make it easier on myself. So boom, I got my 3 parts in the back that I'm gonna crochet my locks onto. Crocheting the lock into your hair is super easy. You basically put the crochet needle through your braid, and then you're going to open up your lock and you're going to hook it onto the crochet needle, then close the hook and pull your lock through the braid. And after you have it through the braid, you want to open up the loop end of the hair and pull both your lock and your braid through it and just tighten it up and you got it. Now that my locks are attached, I'm going to begin to start adding the wrapping hair around it. I showed both of the hairs that I used today, so screenshot, do whatever y'all need to do. This part is so important because you don't want to use too much wrapping hair. So watch how many times I split this hair so y'all can see like how much I'm using in one piece. I have a more detailed tutorial on my channel on how to distress a soft lock, and that's the same exact method I'm using in this video to distress these locks, so check that video out if you don't know how to do it.
I'm so cold, you got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really the plan. All you need, but I was wrong, she was wrong. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away?
See how my hair is sticking out? Yeah, I'm gonna go back and wrap that up with another thin piece, but I promise you, you don't need a lot of hair for these locks. Like, thin pieces are gonna take you a long way.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really the plan. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like there was nothing? How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love that was not the same? How you gonna throw it away?
And that's pretty much gonna wrap up today's video. I did post some videos of my hair at the end, so don't click off yet. Stay with me, stay with me. If you do need a more detailed tutorial on how to distress locks, check out my other YouTube video on how to do that. But thank you for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back for more hair tutorials.
Fuck, I look like I don't want it.